but look at how powerful it is. Now we're able to walk here at night. They work perfect. All right, today we're gonna bring a large outdoor solar light, street light. This is pretty much, it's gonna give you a bunch of LED lights in here. It does come with a sensor on and off button and a large actually a solar panel. Just make sure that you're going to put this in the direction of the sun when you're actually going to set this up. All right, this will last you from 8 to 12 hours depending on the day. If you put the sensor, the motion sensor, it will last you longer, right? So the way you do it, you use the remote control. You got on and off. You got a motion sensor on, different kinds of levels of how dim you want it to be, or how many lumens you want. 3 to 6 hours, you can set it up if you want, up to 8 hours actually maximum. So 2 AA batteries on the control, and to turn it on, you have to hold down the button. All right. Now, to make changes to the actual system, just make sure that the sensor is off. We're blocking it out right now. You have the remote control to turn it off completely here. All right. Just make sure you point it out to the direction of the sensor. Off and on. And then every time you make changes, it's gonna blink. All right, that means it makes the changes. We put the sensor on. You can put 8 hours, 8 to 2 hours. All right, that's pretty much. So we're gonna set this up tonight and see how it works.